So nina ni plan ukuthi niye kwi garage or nohlala endlini linde SMS or novuka ekseni or nomela into.
Apparently I think mina ngibona ukuthi ozalwana there's no way ukuthi there's no way because of uthiwa uqalise semncane.
Yeah, but I feel like nami njalo because even though abantu bebonakala manje some point ngifeel ngathi baye basiveza no because we feel ngathi ba comfortable too much. Uthini wena sisi?
Does like abafana have a problem when it comes to elast ukukhalela like elast nje like ukhalela intombazana no relationship like ninenkinga la like nina problem. Okay, let's say okay chilene and
ndakuva kodwa
yeah like
Welcome to Kasi Pulse from the streets
for the streets.
My name is Kucho. Today I have a new guest, new people. So everyone will introduce themselves.
I go by the name of Sibonga.
Aphumelele speaking.
Okay bafethu lo bhuqo osebenzayo Danko. Okay bafethu namhlanje ne sizoba ne debate inyana kuliwe kuhleke kube mnandi yabo. So into enzekayo ne ngiphethe abosisa bayithula nobhudu wami uKhujo ngala yabo. So into ezenzeka sizokhuluma hleke question and answers senzibayise like thetho kube mnandi yabo ngoba into efunekayo into ezinye izinto mhlawumbe ngaziva ngathi yabo because nami ngifuna uva something ngosisi. But ubhudu Khujo lapha yana kuye umuntu ovela asiqalela izinto because mayiqalo uye yonke into yama ngohlelo yabo.
Sure. So first thing first ne. Not like first thing first. Sifuna ulwazi ngabanzi ngani ukuthi since mina ngubani bani ngiphuma kuphi yabona if ngiyageleza kuphi yeah. Childhood story like yeah.
Okay, well mina ngusibonga ngikhulele eKhalambazo and then ngamuvela eSilweni. I think it was late last year. Primary yami ngiyenzele eShukumani, high school ngiyenzele eSdikeni. Yeah, that's all about myself.
Aphumelele nami ngikhulele eKhalambazo. Ngifunde eShukumani primary yami then high school yami ngenze eSdikeni. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And plus vele bengike ngazwa something la ethembisa ukuthi kunama primary ahlukile ukuthi le esiXhosa le in like inyiko bathi inyiko neNcikweni wathi sikhona isiXhosa primary amaXhosa bathi yini yona?
KulaSizwe.
Oh, KulaSizwe. Then amaZulu?
Shukumani.
Oh, ukhona ufunde eShukumani, ufunde isiZulu. Onifunde isiZulu. So ningamaZulu or ngamaXhosa?
Xhosa. Sithu.
Oh, okay.
Xhosa.
Oh, amaXhosa. Oh, Hlubi.
It's
Oh.
more of like Zulu, Xhosa, siSuthu straight.
Oh, Hlubi Xhosa ne.
Yeah.
And futhi I think kwaXhosa kune mixture.
Yeah.
Njengoba besikhulumile amaphondo, Xhosa, straight, Hlubi, Bhaca. But ke shothi sobuya kuleyo nto sikhuluma ukuthi okay zimixa kanjani, mawubheka Bhaca yini nani kanjani. Okay. So into engifuna yazi nebo sisi njengoba nithi vele benifunde kulezi zinto lezi nafunda lapho. So manje nenza kanjani manje? Since manje nenzani manje no 2026? Okay, ayikuhlekza right.
Abele ngaphatha istress.
That's my results ke bhutu.
Yeah.
But singanihlalisa egarage guys. That's mine.
Angiye garage.
Why? SMS nenzile.
SMS iyahlupha because ingena makufuna yona sometimes.
And SMS mina ngayenza ne. And I thought maybe because ngaye nase garage mangabe ngixoxa istory sami se-matric. Ngaye garage ekseni BP. Mara zange ngiyekuseni man I would say ngebusuku around 10 sahamba sibaningi umguruguru wasemayibuye saya eBP yala. Le kunama BP ayithuwa ngisho kwela engase Mamashis.
Yeah,
bekhona le lapha egarage saya khona thina ke lapha ya. And futhi ufuna ubuza
wait, ama results aphume ngo12. Why you landed late? Why walanda late?
Ndiye ebusuku. Like let's say ama results. No, ama results aphume nini? Aphume ngo the following day. Let's say angithi nina nolanda 13 ne?
Yeah.
13 next day uvula isikole. So thina into enzekile ama results athi azophuma nge13 ne ebusuku. like ebusuku makuzoba mawuthi 00 ithi 13 nge12 ngo10 sahamba sayigarage soxoxa seziyakhala sakhempele awafikanga shem 8
I thought like walandex sasakakhona ebusuku
hayi phela solanda i-statement sona because olanda i-statement after lapho yeah mfethu yo phela lapho zashu and SMS ngena ngo 2:30 guys so ninga rely kuyo kakhulu kuzoba ne-link yakwa WhatsApp i-link ne
but newspaper isa
Yeah.
ngo-12 exactly.
Yeah, saphuma
And asaphuma kuma-garage amaningi thing nokuthi.
yabo and nathi ke ePP yaphuma ngo 1:30 2021 I did the matric yami 2021 so ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyafana ukuthi ngiyikhehle angijumpisi ngiyabona okay hi guys melana ama results
Mana ngibonakala ngathi ngishaya ngale insight leya uthi
hayi bajabulile abantu
mfethu
problems.
mina naye I won't lie
unaye ne apha vele mara izofika kakhulu I think nge12 ya yiyo la ifika khona like awusazizwa ukubona mfethu igazi lakho limile liyami igazi guys liyama nje awusazizwa ukuthi ukwenza nokudla ngeni futhi malulambile like yo ama results guys yo but kuwonke ama matric ishe ngicela laba babukele futhi nibe sethembeni man guys so nihalalisela okay guys hayi wonke umuntu uyaphasa nekule yanto le akaveli wonke umuntu ku newspaper because newspaper incane ne but into engifuna ukutshela ukuthi wonke umuntu uyakwazi uyaupgrade uthini zikhona i-chances ezivelayo so guys ngifuna uboostele ukuthi abantu bangalahli ithemba and plus ungakhohlwa ukuthi kuna 3 ama letters lapha yana ku-B ku-D no-H yabo nalapho ubani better than bani better than bani so guys ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi ningalahli ithemba guys yabo
yeah
so yeah but at least guys ke ngiyabonga ukuthi ke fine niyasithemba nani ngokwini
sasithemba sishilo
Azange zasho njalo.
mana mele libe nayo ithemba lela uthi hayi
yeah we do obviously
Yeah.
but mele u live a room for disappointment you must really live a room for disappointment
ne okay yeah unyanisile njengoba benditsho nambakhe like kumele uzithembe uyazi ba ikhona into ezokwenzeka ibe ne room yalo elilodwa engenamuntu phakathi ngihlale umuntu lapha
yeah
okay hayi nakuzwa ke so bosisi ne since vele sizokhuluma ngendaba nakho na ngisho ukukhuluma indaba ama results senzela ukuthi nabanye abantu bazozwa abangazi ne so nina ni plan ukuthi niye kwi garage or nohlala endlini linde SMS or novuka ekseni or nomela into
apparently mina I think ngizothumela umuntu ayongilandela
hey awusho mara kuthi usukungazithembi kakhulu mawenza njalo
yeah I was telling vele
yeah
and kumele abe nalento
besides that yaze garage ne basila abanye bama ngaphandle uhambe uyothenga iphepha muphuma umunye
Oh,
atsela bonds
abahlonza
namngela ubona
Iphepha niyalwela iphepha.
Web.
so kungena kuye umuntu omdala ayolanda iphepha it's fine
shutho lande ekseni ke
Angeke.
Yeah,
even my mom is stressed like
Mara abazali okay guys
guys.
buti ngicela ubuza wena ne do you think abazali ba i-right lento ukuthi sibhale so matric babe worried nathi do you think ni feel njani nini
mina ne I don't have a problem because umama akasulo umzali strict ukuthi havelele no she understands like umama she's a cool mom I understand
mother Teresa
manje
anokunomantulu nomother Teresa
yeah
unlike labazali abathi ufela kanjani cross night guys come on
yeah understand that
Yeah,
level
But thina nanibhekeni guys abantu abamnyama at the end of the day umzala ngeke afunda nayo understand abakhulanga njengathi uyazama wenza la uzama ngalo.
okay oh that's what bathi isithi konje singisi sithi born under pressure because of my complexion yebo leyo nto yeah and it was illegal ukuthi abazali baye esikolweni back then yabo so that's why
and sometimes abanye bafuna ubreak i-generational curse so it's understandable now
sisilungu mina ngisazi so uthini manje sisi uthini usisi futhi
hayi mtholi mina ngathi basethi ayicacisa
like
manje
if like
Oh,
if
God.
like the whole family like background like kuyabheda
oh
nasikolo and uyabona ukuthi usibe ngifikile matric obvious uzokupressurize ufuna uphase
oh
at least kube nomuntu oyi-one oyibreakayo leya curse
oh unyanisile ne
Oh, yeah,
yeah
yeah.
uqinisile so that
Yeah,
so
sometimes,
ukuthi
yeah.
hayi
so now you can't blame them
phofu hayi shame.
ke ngathola ukuthi we-1 uqala ukwenza umatric ekini nakho
Yabo nyanisile plus ithi generation yithi abantwana abangathi vele into bayihle kakhulu mara ngiyacanga ukuthi mangabe bathi abazali abafundanga like back then why ukhona abo doctor abagugile or because bona bangene ngemali.
Not really. Ilabo nalabo.
Oh.
Because of khona abantwana abakhule like back then banabazali abanemali and then bahamba ba esikoleni because bengakabi ne-fees must fall by the time bakwazi babhadalele phela bekunama fees bengasinoma ubani university so lo beka university bebazikhona ki back then.
Nyanisile
like that.
ufike kasi khuluma isilungu kuchonywa ngawe
ubonakala ubrand.
Yeah.
Yeah ne. Okay hayi ngiyanizwa guys hayi bi question bendibuza because vele ngifuna ukukhuluma ngendaba zama matric ukuthi ni stress kanjani and into yalapha emhlabeni ihamba njani yabo. Okay hayi nanizwa ke bhuti.
Yeah. Mina ngifuna ukwazi ngebondeni kahle kahle ngiqale kuphi since nizohlangana e-SDK
nize nizohlangana nala i-TV.
Yeah.
Base TV manje.
Ngoba lapho nalesifisela sithi nibe nabangane ukuthi siponde everywhere masamba sihamba sonke ashiyani.
And plus in vele ukuthi amantombazana stick together
yabona.
abafana.
So manje ngi-impressed ngale bond yenu yabona.
But it takes a community. Akho easy like yo amantombazana yo.
Unyanisile.
Akho easy ukuthi sibedoza so.
Yeah.
Nezinto sihlangana nazo.
Okay yeah.
Manje ngifuna ukwazi uqale kuphi kahle kahle.
I think hlangane eshukumani because sifunda sonke eshukumani mina ngazi through cousin yami uNoluthando bebangane ngikhumbula right but azange saba close yabo because of nami benginabangane nabangane but usithembe sifunda sonke ezidikeni from grade 8 saqala sonke
Classmate 1 saqala saba close
grade 8 hayi nini
namanje umatric
and I'm sure nina grade 8 nenze covid or after covid ne
grade 7 covid
wow also nina 19 mhlambe 1918 dise
18
16
10 18
oh
19
20
gogo mos phela mina 19 dise but ngiqeda isikolo 2021 yeah ningangibuzi kanjani because iyenze ukuthi abazali babhadala. Okay.
Yeah.
Side eye.
Okay.
Interesting. Lucky.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, because nenithi yena close and nafoma sekubokhe fine ipondeni intrempu wathwatha yabo. Nabona masabafana benza kanjani. Thina safika 15 years of I friendship yethu because vele sa understand nanoma mfethu umjita vele sazi ukuthi vele umjita ungikhulume kabi sakhuluma umjita akazi uthoba nina girls I think ne ego something like that ba hayi ngiyothola abanye yabo thina sakwazi uxolisa mfethu yazini hard nje yami hard ngijona ipondo nje yami ngomdlala snooker
Having this day.
It really depends ukuthi uba ne ego bani yabona kamanye amantombazana it's fine yabo mina ngaphumelela like siyafana like siyinte one it's not easy to let it go mara mangafika omunye umuntu
so nicinga manje ngoba nithi niyafana right lo way niyazi believer kwiwathi ne believer abantu xa ngabe bangafani iba right you know why ngisho because niyabonisana ukuthi hayi nandazi le yabo so manje manifana I feel ngathi akuna amanzi amili
when I say siyafana ne I'm speaking about umoya wethu phansi uyafana for example obvious personality ngeke isifane way too different but apparently zikhona izinto esifana ngazo mara ezingahlangani nepersonality angikwazi ukuzi explain
ngicela nje joke mara ngani manje ihleka le so since nithi umoya wenu phansi ne so uhle nabaphansi uzwenza njani uhleli phansi okay yeah nanizwa guys yabo okay fine but ke enye nofuna umbuza ne so nina ethembisa nihlala endaweni e1 or ihlala ehlukileyo
nini Khalambazo
Khalambazo
ma last line
aish okay
then sidibeng but behlala estrate C1
but indawo e1
useduze uyakwazi umbona Okay, nayi question yami. So ungavuma usibonga ne afike ekini avule ifridge athathe noma yini like ucomfortable ngaleyo ndlela ba angazenza lo way.
Obviously.
Like athi ngiyathatha ibisi avule
Into
because into emnandi
uyaba.
if akunante like fruit water into emnandi efridge.
Yes.
Alikho elinye.
Ibisi uthatha ibisi uvule shape phezulu. Oh so like ni
Yeah.
friendship yenu injalo so ngalo way.
I feel like ama-sisters.
Yeah, sisters.
Oh, sisters vibe.
Yeah.
Nas plus sister.
Khona ubane ekamereni kwelinye nami bekwelinye umuntu
Singenandaba ukuthi ngapha,
akunandaba uyamkhohlwa nomkhohlwa ukukhona.
Like
Sebesehlangana yebo. Kulanga ngikhohliwe.
Nas plus sister. Le movie plus sister. Anazi opfa nina nitheni nenze imatric last day. I understand that time bese abancane. So nithe manifika nina nithe manifika ababona ko showmax. But I feel like bafike bona sekunabo Netflix and stuff because Netflix back then I feel like bekunzima ukuthi uloke in unga understand ubona ukuthi advertise ku DStv Netflix ungayazi ukuthi thina masikhula awungafunisisi unifike vele Netflix ithi and so ukela le movies zakhona yabo that's why ningayazi plus sister understand. Okay.
Nigerian.
Yeah,
I think ngengaza ngayo.
yeah, and ikhona ingoma
The
yakhona
name is familiar.
Yeah,
the name is
Nigerian.
familiar.
ingoma yakhona pha abo Cinderella ba Nigeria.
Yeah,
Niyazi?
siyayazi ngasikho.
Guys nani ngambukeli nina untu nani wabukela amandiya SABC 3.
Mina ke namandiya.
Mina namandiya.
Not SABC 3.
Nina ngibukela laba abangasikhulumeli yabo laba bane after taste
Yeah.
after voice.
Notice sengimdala ukuthi no man labantu
Akhulumeli,
abasikhulumeli
yeah.
from there.
Now I feel like yasibenza yini mina baye bakhutshwa ivoice yabo bakhuluma ngayo straight bafaka isilungu so that sizo
Yeah,
understand.
sizokhona.
So ngiyahambelana nelips zabo but ke sa understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okay, I'm quite quiver yabo bungekuyivi.
Notice after years time.
Kungenzeka
And
ukuthi-
the minute notice angekuphindi babukele babhona.
Mina somehow ucaba ndababona nisaqala by the way.
Oh yeah ne. Ake thina
Benibathanda nge-YouTube babheka.
Not really now.
mina bengithanda amandiya lawa ayadansayo ke SABC 3. SABC 3 nowadays akasabukelwa guys. Uyabona
Yeah.
ukuthi yabo yaphela unyaka ungabukelanga ku-SABC 3 guys yabo. So mina amandibe engiwabukeli lawo bejive just intombazana ukuthi ayithole yabo into enjani ayibini nje ukuthi ukulobola kanjani into bese wabukela amandiya khona thina.
Okay.
Waziswe ngesidingo SABC 3 ngicabanga ukuthi mina
Yeah,
into.
the stage is yours.
Dala.
Isidingo but manje abantu basana.
Okay, hayi ndakuva jo. Okay. Buti uthini? Okay, mthini buze la apha yabo. Uprefera i-TV show or i-movies?
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi ziyafana
Zafana.
because
Ahlukana.
of like I feel like a TV show or reality show into one TV show reality show.
Yeah.
Na aba act life abo serious like
Okay. Phofu nyansini yokuthi actor nesokuba zafana. So i-reality ubona ngathi ifana ne acting. Phambi kwe-acting.
Yeah.
Okay, uthini wena sis?
I think I like ama-reality shows kakhulu.
Oh, so I follow under i-TV show.
Lifestyle yabantu, yeah. Follow under lifestyle yabantu,
Abo
baphila kanjani.
abo House of House Real Life of Ntontoni. Abo Sign Bush Ntontoni. Sign Bush ngathi une reality show.
Ngiyingazi azange
Angathi akuseka sayeni yama ngathi bad bitches or
Oh Ntontoni.
slay queen.
Mina bengithanda ka Fake Gates. Ndilibe Ntontoni khona bobani pha. And Fake Gates yacula. Nayaza ngathi guys. Beka yabe ecule ya rap ya. Awona mamela jo izinto. Usibonga nawe aphumamela uMaskandi sibonga. Sibonga. Hey. Mamela qod. Hawu Ncese ithi lengo Ncese. Sithi uyazi leza ngoma zakhona ne. But ezika Fake Gates.
Yeah, ngithi washo ku show yakho.
Oh yeah bengimamela khona enye ukuthi Man and Trash but bendiyithanda but andithanda into indlela ayibize ngayo igama le show. Igama lengoma ndiyithanda Man and Trash but ngithande
Ngithandani
when you are wrong. Akufana seclassini bazothi niyarasa. Khona abangarasi na into ayishow you understand? Eklasini kuthiwa niyarasa.
Bani rasa no but bakhona bangarasi. Okay.
Into ayishow.
Sisi.
not all men are trash, but
Nje ngivile bephendelela njani sisi jo. Jonga mamela. Mina ndaxelela. uya egarage.
Oh
Xa
man.
ungithona tam ngesitayela, yabo ngitshela indaba zami uthi ehlise.
No, ndiyakuncoma kusela unayo uyathemba.
Convenience. Speaking of music ne, eyiphi music enilalelayo vele?
Ayabona mina bashiki uthi manje maskandi.
Umangele uthini?
Uyaxoxa sibonga.
Yeah, I do listen to maskandi because like
Kakhulu,
we feel
often.
egazini ukuthi manje yase.
Often kakhulu yiyo ithandayo
Yeah, no.
kuzo zonke. Mara status sakasisho masibona ngidla ngibona umamela umbhaqa ngemaskandi. Yeah.
Ngathi
Asifani? Oh. Kukumbhaqa kumaskandi. But umbhaqanga ntwana ulosha kamnandi especially thina ama-Eastern Cape simamela umbhaqanga endleleni. Because maskandi I think is for Zulu. Yeah, I think it's for Zulu so that singalali. I think umbhaqanga is for Zulu. It's for Xhosa. Okay.
Ngithandi ke.
so wena manje mamela maskani kuphela.
Na mamela maskandi phela. Actually mina I'm not the person ukuthi what's your favorite genre, what's your favorite artist. Mine I listen.
Okay.
Nah.
Go with the flow.
Yeah, same thing now.
Okay, mamela same thing ne. Okay. So vele since vele ikasi pulse le podcast ne. Siyathanda uthetha into zasekasi too much yabo. Even though ezinye izinto sidla ngoziphinda even though kwezinye episode yabo.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ubabuza nge-brands zalapha around. Yabo? Andithi nazathi local brands zalapha. Especially Ivory and aboguru ozamadala. Nala maybe esinayo Songa Nova. SN Songa Nova. Nizoyibona nami ngizongena I think ngifuna uba like lingene ndiyazise since abanye abantu abayi 2-3 nyana bangazi yabo lapha ku WhatsApp Facebook bangazi 2-3 nyana followers yabo bazobona. So nina ni prefera AP ozamadala neguru. Ngifuna uqala ngasibonga.
Iguru, it's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
So ufuna since uthi guru is nice ne, I feel like ikhona umuntu omazi ukuthi ngubani oy leader. Ubani i-owner.
Angazi, I'd be lying mina ngazi abantu bewozamadala more than beguru.
You know why?
Why?
Because iwozamadala ne bebekhipha ama-mention phasi kukhulunywa ngayo igqokiwe. So uyabona ukuthi okay fine umuntu lona at some point advertise into yabo. I found ayabonakala ukuthi okay ngubani founder ufezela right wasifezela naba ukuthi Fafastra kodwa nale ikhiphe ama-gold khona ikhiphe ama-gold yozamadala manje kodwa uyabazi uyabazi mara uthanda iguru
Cool story.
Angazi.
Never zazi kakhulu so.
Babambeka strict at never angazi.
mara profile picture yakho yozamadala
Bakhona ngiyabazi ngeke ngakhuluma nabo bonke like ngiyakhuluma nabo. That's why ngibazi.
profile picture yakho yozamadala ngisho.
Yep.
Nadlala. So wena Chomi ukhetha nto wozamadala oluguru.
Mina iguru angakayiboni.
Ne?
Or maybe ngiyayibona ngayinayo.
Ne,
Ozamadala ngiyayibonile sange ngikhona
And ngekwazi ukhetha into
ngayazi.
Ndiyave nase TV wozamadala.
Uhlala ibona iguru lengoba umehlo. Thoda gqoka amajezi anama-flowers.
Mehlo. So why ibizwa umehlo? Funa uyazi. Oh. Abadla manje abashika bashifaka amehlo amakhulu. Yeah, and plus ke ama-jeans wami nami abantu
Understand I mean.
Yenziwa amehlo amakhulu.
Amehlo orange. Yenziwa orange.
Udaliwe naturally. Wabona into enkulu esamncane. Ama-jeans wami nami guys ne banamehlo amakhulu. I have cousins abanamehlo amakhulu ne guys. Mara one thing sazobaveza ngibonise bona banamehlo amakhulu ama-cousins wami wonke. Angina cousin enemehlo amancane. Bayazi nawo ama-cousin wami. Okay. Mara nginawo amehlo nami amakhulu. Also and plus bengisasho ke besathatha ngebrand local brand iwozamadala vela kakhulu TV.
Yeah,
Mix videos
bapromotelwa abantu abakhulu.
yabo into enjalo because bayaziveza bona iguru so yona uyayibona ne but idumile naye because uyakhumbula bathu bani Max Celo what Max Celo Sifiso khona lo mtshelo othi mina guys be TikTok anganosayiyona athi mina guys ngisasho namanje mina guys impilo intontoni khona lo mtshelo be TikTok but ngiyenze ukuthi animazi ne because umuntu ozwayo lo TikTok ngoku bangathi sibali top 10 uPeanuts animazi Peanuts
Siyama.
yabo Peanuts lentona le etunisa lentona umkhosi. Lulutho ntontoni. Yeah.
Umkhosi lentona.
Umkhosi lentwana. Peanuts.
Mina I thought debate.
Ne?
Ngisaselilate ukuthi I really thought umpedi.
Oh yeah, umkhosi peanuts.
Oh.
Umkhosi, and I think next year, maybe next year this year uzobe engene. Uzoyintabeni. And manje into engicabanga ngopeanuts uzoyenza indaba esentabeni ibe i-attract abantu abaningi, motivate abantu abaningi. Awu ukuthi baye and abanye abantu bathi boyika abazali bethu futhi bathi kuyasweleka le yabo.
Mara iserious vele bayashona abantu.
Baswela ukuthi kudutyule or mhlawumbe umuntu udlule ispider. Become a Spider-Man gcine vele sezibulani abazali.
Hayi ukuthi.
Esala Joy. Okay, bensathi Jo. Yabo. Bensathi ba okay fine into enjalo. Okay, local brand ngitheni uthanda woza madala wena. Abantu ikhulu uthanda woza madala ne. Awuchuzanga but you if ukuthi
right mega ngichazela ukuthi right woza madala.
Inokukhotha vibe.
Ula.
Nene nganokhotha
Yeah,
vibe.
and ngathi ne story
And
behind.
nama makhala.
Usazi story. Yekela ama street parent ngoba khona lesikhathi bese uthi la ngiyaphuma.
No.
Abakatanga abazali.
No, honestly, ngeke ngachatha nabo bonke, like ngibazi bonke labantu, ngeke ngakhuluma nabo bonke.
Bonke. Awukazi wadibana nabo. Like ni banxiliso zamadala mhlawumbe.
Ngadibana nabo. Tanong bela khona nini? Bekazile November. I think it was close to December. So ngiyabazi man, and into engithi ngibazi kakhulu khona umunye umfana ebathomeni case stratini sami beka iskim sabo mara bahlukene manje. So yeah, ngiyabazi.
Okay, hayi.
So manje before wazangazi ukubona lapha ya wena uyenza into zakhona. Why? Ngoba inkathi zakhona benganento iskipha busy.
I was interested
Yeah.
back then, I won't lie, but bengakwazi ukuhamba like ama events wabo wasebusuku most of the time. My dad was so strict.
Back then.
And nempahla zabo is expensive.
Yeah, bedura kakhulu.
Yeah.
Like 200 lona bebedura that time.
Eish.
Bebedura
Yeah,
kakhulu.
imali eningi.
Fethu.
Mongena skipper sakho ungena skate lesama chikita awusisko.
Ish, yabo.
So yeah.
And futhi elubhudi naye ngathi bezahamba lesiqo. Ngathi nakhe nadibana le kude.
Hayi uthi mina zangazivayi
Eh.
ngoba bengenazaka vele wena ekhaya
yeah.
singabhalana. Mara bengithanda lento kade bayithi.
Nami ngithanda balanda abantu ngamateksi. Like next-door baphuma abantu. Jo. Yakhalela Jo. Yabo?
Yeah.
Yakhalela ukuthi
So
ngithini.
like awuyitholi chance ukuthi ube isikhothane lapho ke.
Okay, ndakhalela nami. Okay, Jo, ndakufa. So mamela ne Chomi. Dayiniva le wele. So ungakhetha uba isikhothane okanye ube lesbian. And why? Ukhethe lesbian. Ukhethe lesbian or isikhothane?
Zonke ngizifuna.
Ama-choice ayi-two.
It's fine.
Bekhethe one.
It's
Bekhethe one.
fine. Because ikhathane zamanje asenzi la maculture wabadomi baphutsha culture serious manje.
Yeah.
Ba music video and stuff. Don't be isikhothane. Hayi lesbian.
Yeah, because I think into ukudla ama yogurt la bese sifike umuntu mabemkhothile sifike sidonse si
Yeah, into zama old fashion
Yeah,
manje.
keep music, banama music videos, bane brand is serious. Like yeah, so ngaba yisay so.
Okay. Wena Chomi, lesbian or isikhothane? Ke besa wisa. Lo ndikhethe sezi wrong because andifuni ukhetha izinto emnandi nembi. Uzoba obvious ba uyakasathana kakhulu uzoveza ufuna uNkulunkulu nonke yabo. So ndikhethe seziphi zonke kwasathana zonke so that uzokhetha. Neze example lokho.
Ngeke marukhethe lesbian because of into zalwa nayo. I understand. Into zalwa nayo kusintothi lesbian.
Oh, fukuthi.
So
Isikhothane asikhethela ne. Ifana ukuthi angikwazi ukhetha abazali ungabakhetha abangani into enjalo ne. Uyibeka khona. Okay.
Yeah man, speaking of lesbian ngizale i-topic le uthi lesbian or gay into zala nayo straight or into umuntu edope estratini kwenzakalani ngifuna ukwazi ngabanzi.
Mina ngibona kwinto zalwa nayo there is no way ukuthi there is no way because of uthiwa uqalise semncane.
Yeah, but I feel like nami njalo because even though abantu bebonakala manje some point ngifeel ngathi baye basiveza no because we feel ngathi ba comfortable too much. Uthini wena sisi? Uyavuma?
Yeah, I think uzalwa naye.
You think uzalwa naye?
Yeah, because
Okay.
umntana vele umbona sesemncane.
Oh,
Love.
ne? Mm.
Noba sekaphuma emndenini
And
uzothi
then-
khona ngiyazi. You understand akakushawuta because of uyakwazi.
Abanye ingaba yi-peer pressure. Abafani, abanye ingaba yi-peer
Peer
pressure.
pressure.
Umfana
Stage
akhethele
nokuba
Stage ngoba
popular.
uyatshintsha umuntu.
Phela
Ne,
sayithanda.
yathi sometimes uyabona ukuthi into
Makaqala
ayithandayo lena
Makaqala
xa
athi
ikhula.
13, 14, 15, 16. By the age of
3,
20
13,
akasafuni ukubuka
14.
lesibhiyeni.
Mm.
Akasafuni.
yeah man for mina ne I think ugay ilento ozala nayo mara lesbian into ngathi umuntu vele
Hayi. Mara uyansile yazi mina unyanisile yazi wayisho sone ngicela unazisa ne nani ma viewers ngicela nivisise kahle ngendlela enthetha ngayo but hayi ukuthi ngiright indlela atsho ngayo bhuti ne yazi ubonani ubona ukuthi like benentombi ne manje ukuthi banentombi intombi masenhlukene nayo sifuna bayi lesbian yabo sifuna join lesbian yabo bathi angazi feminine tontoni sifuna join lesbian bakhona lama lesbian ukuthi azalwe nayo ukuthi unxiba njengomfana
Yeah.
like tomboy wise bekhona wena ubuse ukudala udate nabafana mhlawumbe udate nabafana ngoba kakho uhambe uye uhambe uthi ufuna udate lesbian so that's why I chose so
Khona into ofuna ukuyizama, khona umuntu othi
Oh, zama into entsha.
ayihlulekile,
Oh.
angizame la. Yabo khona into enjalo. Then uthola ukuthi hey, kufana nokutaster
slogan
something
say
mara
please set awareness
ngiyayithanda.
le
Sale
try something
sengiya-
amazing
Yeah, uthi mara ngiyayithanda le way iqhubeka. Oh, both sazithola. You understand?
Oh.
One time I'm
Nami
ngafana.
ngizithola wrong, yo.
Ne?
mara I
Yeah.
think the way sisakhuluma khona I think most of the time
time
amantombazana vele athanda ukuzama vele yabona
yeah wathanda ukuzama because angeke ngithi ngumfana mina ngicela
Ngathi
uzama
uzama ube
ngihlulwa
okay.
amantombazana ngicela uzama okay
Ah.
never that will never happen unless if uke kuthiwa after 8 after 9 lonto bayibiza ukuthi after 9
Kungaba yiyo.
yeah mhlawumbe ngiyatsho uba abantu ama after 9 avelapha yabo ngicela into
kungcono
ezinjalo.
laba abashaya ngapha nangapha ya.
Njengami so.
Okay okay
awuthi
mamela
sometimes ngila mislo awuthi bashaya ngapha nangapha ngi-understand
like
Bisexual.
ujola
Oh.
bye umele 2 ne BI umele 2 because bicycle isha ngamavila
Yeah,
2
gender.
bye
Mm.
hey
bicycle
silungu ne bye
Njalo njalo,
ubhayi
yeah.
umele ukuthi both sides
Yeah.
yeah bicycle triangle 3 ngasifundisa basifundisa ngayo yonke into phela esikoleni
yeah
That's what I've noticed.
basijampisile vele
okay ngiyalibale ikasleni ngiyalibala le nithi thembisa wathwane so into engifuna yazi yini engayitshela abantu ngekasleni enhle thina isicount asiyazi mhlambi la nihlala khona because thembisa inkulu and every time aboshimza boyenza bomuntu obona bani okay G the vibe baya ppp mara ngeke ba mention ezinye indawo
Well, mina nginotisile sinama-soccer players like uJames Khosani, Themba Zwane, yeah.
oh so
Soccer ngale vele Hollywood solihlala ngalo.
Yeah.
They
Then
are
body
good.
sports. Yeah,
yeah.
sports vele.
yeah nathi la emayibuye ngiyacabanga ukuthi sinayo mara asikhulumi ayikho ngathi indaba ayikho ngathi indaba no need ukuthi niyazi ukuthi kubani soccer player la emayibuye in because nami phela ngiyadlala
Ngathi proud ngicela
Yeah.
ukuyeza.
Yamazi.
how you soccer player la emayibuye you soccer player la emayibuye guys nginzima uyime ngiphishlele ngidlala ibhola
No.
Ngidlala i-9.
Sisho laba
Like
Bafana Bafana, Pirates.
guys anibukela TV abayibuke abangibona ngiyadlala guys ngiyadlala hayi la emayibuye ngikhosho bhuti angibukeli mina phela ibhola angibukeli wena bhuti ikhona soccer player yaziyo la ubani udumile la emayibuye kahle like udumile vele TV I think maybe kwamele si pull up his socks
yeah mele yeah
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No mamela but khona lentwana lekhoyo le scooter baba yebo baba yabo khona intwana bathu came kid lapha yabo khona intwana ingena after Casper Nyovest etawula phephisa basopa leskipa sa Costa le triple la Costa ma speakers
yeah ngiyizwa
yeah
voice
lentwana leya intwana entswempu jo yamo honesty ubani oh bathi kumale cula ukhona lebicula no Shawval ucula no Umus My Mind andazi uSimanmani ihamba naye ya umuntu esingathetha ngaye apha emayibuye sithi uNtswembu nogwazi ugwazi Grootman Lesansi naye
yeah lekama ngiyacaba mara lekama
yeah sometimes nami bengayazi ngathi mina phela ngifuna umbona curious ngifuna umbona umuntu lo engizombona eTV mase sihlangene lapha eTV mina naye sibuza Lesansi ethi hayi mfethu singabantu basemayibuye yabo guys njalo
Okay.
thetha bhuti ufuna ukubabuza ntoni favorite colors nadlala nje
So mina ngifuna ukwazi man ahlahle ngifuna ukwazi ngento ze-groove ahlahle yabona ukuthi mina prefera i-groove or indlela elungile vele into zesonto
sesonto
abantwana.
umthandazo
Yeah.
hayibo okay wena ngibonde weyiphetha khona cup yoyiphetha khona cup
Angigroovist ne.
eh
Angigroove like ngiyaye groove but akusinto engihlala ngiyenza. Uma ngigroove inhlanhla.
yazi ngakubiza ngani
Mara
yazi ngakubiza ngani pusist alithi akayinjalo akayigroovist kakhulu ayigroove ubiza pusist ubiza pusist oh yeah sometimes
yeah.
okay nakhona uyasitshontsha
But for sure abazali sebayaunderstand man ngiyayisaba isikhathi.
hayi mfana khohlwa mfana ayikho lento ebazalini mfethu
Sahlala endlini yami.
esahlala endlini nami mhlawumbe umazihlalela bayazi ukuthi noma uphumene nisifane abazali
Abazali sifuna groove
usho ya
So
ngeke
i-choice yami
uzoxolisa kusasa
because nomzali mangabhali fastera manje athi awuphumi uzophuma.
yabo into
Yonke
enjalo
into
lezi
iyangayo.
sifoster.
ya foster mfethu
Not ukuthi mina like it's example.
Oh.
mamela and enye into phela abazali ne before uzophendula nesisi ngifuna uemphasize le way abazali bayathanda ukuthi si behave njengabantu abadala but basithatha njengabantwana of which is lonto leyo
Iyahambelana.
azambelana ngeke ufune fika ngo7 but ufune an acting njengobhuti like okay leyo i right hamba kahle because ufuna ubonisa abantwana bakuwena ukuthi kuhamba njani but indlela umzali phela nowadays akumelanga basasibetha because kudala bathi asabethwe and mabesibetha sababuphisa I think mina sengiready one better nomzali
I-police station.
ufaka i-fingerprints
Umzali uyayazi ukubophisa umuntu. Serious lento le.
ufunyanisile hayi nje kanyampanisha nje kancinci phofu angasafumana
Yathi
umsebenzi
Yo mfethu.
Yathi fingerprint.
yeah fingerprint
Life
nyanisile
ungayenzi lento le.
but i-fingerprint iya ngokuthi izithini uyacafa zahluka mangabe ubulele urephile i-fingerprints awukwazi uziclear
Mawuza clear.
zaclear ePitori mangabe mhlambi ubotshele mhlambi after 10 years 5
Yes.
5 na 5 kona 5 jo andithi yenze kuhlambi ube eshop yabo leyo be shop 5 years yabo ube eshop mhlambi thintini za clear after some time goes by so sisi back to you asilibelanga lokho igroove ucawa
Ngithi ngisindile.
saza kulibala athi ekhaya kulityana
Hayi kuba wrong ke wena. Mina ngaba iboy balance.
One.
Okay wine.
okay uyenza kakhulu ke
Igroove mncane umyanga.
Mm.
Kumele enjoy ungazoba
upizza sunday yasithanda nezawe OMS
uthe siyakhetha lana siyakhetha then the next
Yeah, kade salaqhubeka.
sosala niqhubeka lokho ndithi andifuna uyikha
Too
but
much.
like ngeke manje
balance both ngithe balance both understand but obviously ngoba ngisemncane
okay
ngisemncane to experience izinto ongazi
ngifuna yenza lento le between plug sizoyidibanisa ibe into e1 njengoba kwenu or nakhe naye ne angikho sure because andithi niyasho ukuthi nenzi matric last year ne so ngifuna yazi uchoose AP OMS or Pizza Sunday ngifuna uqala ngawo and why OMS one man show kahle le 25
ngaba yipita
Pizza Sunday okay why
because of mina ngizengabo I think
Into.
I don't like Pizza Sunday
awukazi waya kuyo uOMS
nayo ngazi
oh but ucinga ba ipizza ingansweni
Yeah.
wena ne and ubona ngathi inhle and kukho youth
yeah
okay because gcwala youth kakhulu and
Yeah,
ne 25 and nge 25 aloko abazali basifuna la bafuna si
Christmas
Yeah.
okay so wena uthi yephi jo same ushinza that's why ayenze nge 25 manje April
25 April.
yeah wenzeni ukuthi yeah uchinje yeah 2026 wenze 25 April and amatikiti azoba khona nge 23 January ukuthengisa qala so mina ngifuna ugijima bhuti because labi iziticket mangabe liye iqhubeka
Yeah,
ngifuna
yeah,
general
yeah.
ngifuna general because i-VIP iyabhora guys
yeah we
You know why?
were lapha
and ngaphandle kwalo way necho i-VIP ndim ushims phambili ngisemva nina VIP
isijayiva nabantu
yabo via uthi uquesta uthi i-VIP yani sijayiva nabantu yabo so I prepare nami
Une vibe.
Yeah,
Una
I know
prefer
that.
put-
General or VIP.
pizza or OMS
Inkinga ngiyava I think
Two.
ithi pizza.
Yeah.
We all messing yazi already.
Oh, mina ke
Mina i-OMS cause pizza
Ufuna ukuzi vibe yakho.
mina ngizazi i2 ke guys ne. So
Yeah.
ngicela ungiexplainela mina ukuthi ngiphi ingcono.
Yeah.
Okay, kaShimza ne. Imnandi. Guys, kaShimza uyazo netikiti lakho ukuthi ama toilet asecure ne angisho ukuthi awepizza wakho secure and stuff ne. But ama taps like angokufuna amanzi in ne. Amanzi yonke into stage mafuna ukuthi nithini stage sintswempu nanoma ngifuna uthatha ibhodlela ngiphosele umaphorisa ngelifike benze indlela ukuthi ingafikeleli ya distance and yabo awangeni ngena ama can and stuff yabo. So and futhi nesikhathi mangabe uShimza ethi iqala ngo12 until kusasa ngo6 isikhathi akasibekele nama artist wonke Pizza Sunday uphuma ngo1 ebusuku
ngisise manje le story
Khaya manje ukuthi angibuyi maka second location guys ikhula box phela manje amabi yakho ufukile the weekend and plus uzophinde wenza ama expense that's why bathi ethi touchline lapha ethi money we spend at summit it's a lot when you summit up yabo phela sozocabanga sazi ukuthi hey bese summit and manje uyabona ukuthi le mali mase sisama lana it's a lot yabo so that's why sifuna
and second location
ayabhora zawenza yabo unyanisile ezinye mfethu zosola kudutshule phambi kwakho mhlambe ezinye uzaza lokhu influencer abangani yabo ezinye usaza abangani lolala yabo ngoke enkoweni plan ukuthi okay fine besithembisiwe kupizza you know most lot umuntu umeka sure ukuthi yonke into yakhe ihamba kahle yabo kuthi hi guys isecho mara ku Pizza Sunday ne iPizza Sunday advantage ukuya khona ne guys I don't want lie iyouth igcwele lapha mfethu iyouth jo khala kutsonga fethu in fethu did he at her yaphendula kuntswembu ubona abantu bazi Facebook abantu bazi Instagram TikTok WhatsApp nangcobole yazi ngangithemba ukuthi uzongibona senze uthozo uzungivashela yamhaka lapha ekuseni ntwana ugrand saspana nabo yabo ngoza vele abantu bazanibana le into ukuthi umuntu umtext athi wathi ngicozo ngivashela athi ngithengizozo and ngifuna uyazi ukuthi yini le yenza ukuthi okay ngadla ngekhadi ngoze vele
why we cut manje why we cut
bekhada nje because bantu ba okay fine ngizoza ngifuna uyazi mina ne ukuthi why bebethi ngizoza basuke yini benza ukuthi bazi
yini zakho
since sinama guest event bazositshela story
yeah sincedwa nini
yeah
phela nasifuna uyazi nalena ukuthi intombazana wayikhapha ishaye bomb isuke yenziwa yini leyo nto
Makeup shy bomb
like mangibiza ne like ngingakwazi ngikulande hello sweetheart unjani mshapha ne wena mangihamba nawe lapha ushaye bomb unginaki awunaki uzuyofika le endlini unganginaka ngize ngijike mina or lento ukuthi ungipha ama number mara uzongimayiza efonini yafana phela lo nto bhuti ngathi hayi nawo ama number ami angimayizi
why
niniswa yini lento
yazi umuntu bazana shala abantu abangakhingelanga uyaboreka sometimes also in the interest most of the time mina sometimes ngishaya even social anxiety ke ufuna ukungishela like gcola abantu
okay
so I don't know about abantu
kumela uthini sizwe
mina vele ngizokuphendula stuff esihamba endleleni but vele ukungakunaki vele kuzokumayiza shem because of nani ifana nani guys nangakusho le ntomazana edlulayo you understand
asifuna
and nawo wonke
ifana nani ifana lotho lento le ifana lotho ilotho udlala ama number amaningi wongadlala e1 ke udlala ama number amaningi so that uzowina ndithi ufuna ozoba right for wena personality izohambelana guys dilotho guys masitholene nasiwinile empilweni
jackpot
langicelela guys winile ngathi akudlalwa ngani guys
long time ago
hayi manje okudlala abazali bethu shothi ngeke sifike thina kule 25 30 years guys singafika
hayi man why would you never speak
no baba singafika nabo sisi singafika nabo batsho bathi angasifika why
why did you never speak
kuningi
hayi bo ka elaborate
I've noticed something ngabafana naye for example uyakubona manje ne umuhle and stuff and then the minute aqala ukwazi the real you
akasakuboni
not really ukuthi akasakuboni but uthanda wena ngaphandle wena ngaphakathi
nicho kanjani nevumelana
and umuntu masekakujoyela sekakujwayela ukudlalela ekhaya.
No guys,
Hayi.
ngicela iphendule bhuti lo.
Asuthi ujwayele ukudlala uzoba adlala phezulu kukhanda la. Inkinga man. Thina abafana ne awona immediately ba comfortable ne. Yenza into zomdo siba
childish guys, ingqondo zethu nazi bancane.
Yeah.
Kungcono ukuba childish. Khona lo bona ukuthi hayi lo dlala ngami lo.
Dlala ngawe.
Kanjani?
Phela ujola nama-soccer player guys. I think soccer player angedlale ngawo because lo dlala ngebhola.
We, lo soccer player udlala ngawo.
Okay, sharp totally guys. But bese ngisho xolo ngisho ukuthi dlala ngebhola kazodlala ngami. Ne? But abafana guys ningabenzi wrong because do you know okay ngicela ukutshela into eyi-one ukuthi abantu abawesi lana
Abenze wrong.
abantu abarongo la ama-girls ngicela ukubuza ukuthi why buza to
Why?
because immediately ugqiba ujola nawe ne do you know ukuthi wena ungakwazi ukutshela ugayi let's say ne ujola nami nawu bhuti la Khutsho uyakwazi ukutshela uKhutsho ukuthi ngijola nobuqa ne but manje bhuti Khutsho indaba injani iso uKhutsho mina ngijola nobuqa but ungangijabulisi mangifika uKhutsho baba Khutsho ujola umuntu wami wena uzothi Khutsho hayi mfika ngijola umuntu wakho ngikhuluma naye phela but ugel angahlali ugel ngicela ukuthi na manje ngakushela ngitshela ukuthi nginentombi uzovuma.
As I noticed something, amantombazana le makangakhetshanga uzozenza vele lezo zinto.
Yeah.
Makakhetshile angeke.
Mara mangabe uhethu.
Nabo
Siyabona ukuthi 50 ngapha 50 ngapha mara 30 ngapha if ukuthiwa ngapha 50 ngapha 30 ngapha yithi 30 because thina si right. Hlonipha ungahloniphi 30 mina i30% qhayo ungahloniphi 70 yonke si great nina 50. Bo guys akumele ube perfect uyazi ngokukhulu la sidale sonke guys.
So kahle kuyo yonke into nje kuma relationships kuya ngokuthi ukhethile na simple.
Ne uphumnyanisile but uyakwazi ukhetha but mamela akwazi ukhetha but uthi yeah unyanisile uthi lo muntu lo uyakhetha fa like udale ukhetha mfethu wey udale ngikhetha lo mfana lo ngifuna umbonisa ushutshela mina ngisho nami ngihlekele side ngithi okay sisi asabi yabo but angisho ukuthi ngiyayenza leyo nto yabo because ngishadile but awathi lo nto hayi nithi ungiseni disiye ngizoshada kahle
because angiboni phela ireal.
akabikho iyadura American Swiss asiyabana
angeni noma ubani
bathi ngespedi murato asipapati uthini wathi asipapati
rata sipapa
yeah into njalo.
Yeah man, speaking of catch, have you been heartbroken?
Obviously.
Ngeke angayithi ehlale ethembisa
Sidume kakubi.
Thembisa phela
Obviously.
and bathini but welcome to Thembisa whereby ama-male bestie abiza ama-boyfriend okusi-2 so obvious angeke bangayithi
yonke indaba ayenza lento leyo. Hawo.
So man, khuluma ngama-best into esharp, let's say obvious, let's say mina naseyajola ngiba ne-best into esharp ukuthi mina ngibe ne-best obvious.
No way.
i-right nje izoba njengesister
Umfana nentombazana abakaze bahlangana baba bangana.
Kahle lento yokuthi vele intombazana noma ayimelanga ibe khona kahle.
kumele ngibe khona nje nincokole i-right uncokola nje
Niyancokola?
okay so ngicela ubuza okay mara ngiyenza sister yami mara ngiyenza little sister yami best friend yami little sister best friend yami
Yeah, it's understandable. Ukule naye.
Mara khona i-mentality yakhe somewhere ayifiki kufuneka umuntu ongaphandle ethi azongibonisa somewhere
angibonisa Samuel guys angibonisa
Family members.
yazi kunama-female but right la ngaphansi akuthembisa ukuthi uthini thengela ama-flowers because i-Valentine's is coming guys and manje sideserve ama-female page so that bazosinika ukuthi sinithengele njani izinto
umuntu ozoku-advise ngoba
but ngiyafeel ngathi sayithenga leyo nto ngathanda i-female best ezozithengelwa lezo nto ezoyimbali
Content ukayikho lento eshoyo.
So,
Yes,
mina
ila lento eshoyo.
sisi
mara iyaku-advise.
I'll put flowers on the passenger seat
Why mele uzo
and
advise?
hit i-highway
Why mele uzo advise? So action speak louder than words.
Bamele the way ngicabanga khona ne let's say mina ngifuna ukuyenzela something ne manje ngiyazi immediately ngibuza umngane ngizokutshela so manje ngifuna umngane find out
Uyajustify us.
Ngisho ngithi uthanda ucala ngelo
men conference besikhulume so angeniphikisa amadoda guys zithi inhloko zomndeni
Ayiwe.
sisi ngakhiphela le khanda uzolibonga ukuthi le musi Lokubuza lekhanda.
Maritloko intami yemovie ikhanda. So
Oh, okay. So guys, with relationship ne ngifuna ubuza one by one. Ni since vele uyitafula so ni prefer ubringani in the
I think
table.
bring the table.
Ibele. Hayi wena usisi. No sisi sithi ibele.
uyatayibele.
Ubringani.
Mina ngibringa mina simple.
Simple. Hayi bo sisi imali funa imali ubhejwa no.
Mina ngidla imali yakho.
Fethu.
Asinenge ushilo kukhuleka.
That's why sengishiya.
Yeah. Okay.
Bring
move.
mina on the table ngiyadlala. It's not like that.
Mm.
Sekuyijoke nje lento.
Yeah ne. But yaba into enza ukuthi relationship ingalast ne guys. Because mina into enza ukuthi relationship ngifike ko 2 years ne guys. Sayiphiwe imali kuthi nayi ithatha 200 awuncenga awuyomarket. Bonga ukuthi hawu mama ngiyabonga. Yabo. Yasafi into esenza ukuthi sifike kuma 2 years.
Ngabhetha umjida. Ngabheka ukuthi uphila kanjani. Ngabhetha mina.
As ne honestly deep down ne amantombazana nayo lento ye-guilt just is brainwashed. But yeah,
Ne?
I can. Kuya ngokuthi ngisasho namanje kuya ngokuthi ngikhethile. Mangakhethile.
Oh ya makhethile vele into ezenza so that's why nomfana okhethile exolela i-cheating.
Bayaqololo lobo kuyi.
Mangekho mangazwanga amajita. Mangazwanga amajita.
Jita stima sam phela lapha lapha.
Wena sisuthini ke?
Yeah,
Ungambheja umjita.
kuya.
Urokha mbheja.
Yeah?
Ungambheja umjita urokha mbheja.
Angaze ngambheja.
Ngabhetha.
Uya nakhona ukuthi sibuya.
Okay.
Ngibuya
Hey.
honestly.
Because of khona uhlangana naye aphansi mase seka right la kasasehlula uthola into type
Ngithengele ijezi
Hayi
and
man. Khuluma lento yokuvuka.
Mina
yani
Khuluma ecala.
yini yokuvuka qala futhi.
Hayi. Lese umjida obvious ubeka phansi wakhuza.
Oh.
aka
Okay.
Hello.
Mangela vele ukuthi okay. Oh, okay.
Wrong.
Yeah, so man. So obvious le ngizoyibeka ngizosela nini vele. Is it true vele ukuthi umjida lese akaseka-popile uzaba ayenza i-partner yakhe straight or uzoba yena asihuze ayenza ahasela vele?
I don't get the question.
Okay, ngicela umamela namputi.
Lese ngumjida ne
Mm.
ngiyahuzuka ngiyasokolela manje ngihlangana nesitoko sokuthi naye uGrand hayi uthi uTop uGrand manje sengiyapopa ngiyamshiya ne mara obvious ngihlangana nabanye phambili umjida
Nibe ku relationship.
yeah so manje success umjida izoba yenze lo stock or umjida straight ngokwakhe azamshiya istock like angazi ukuthi uyamshiya or yenzani mara something like that izoba suke ustock avela mvusi
Yo ngibona khona ojasanthi nibamisene phela niyapromisana ngime ku-relationship so thina sesengipopile sana ngizokutholela lena yeah understand and Popo wena kuqala ungene ukhamba ubona i-type zakho understand kubona lento ukuthi ngiyasehlula for manje you understand but mase sengilapha hayi phela na i-type yami ngiyayibona and
Oh phofu nyanti. Mara mina feel like mfethu at some point right land ifana nasebanganini ne guys. Yabo maso uqala manje so ubamkhulu. Phela manje okay i-wrong at some point but uzohamba nabakhulu phela ngini manje bakwe league yakhe ngedlala.
mara
And
it's not like 50-50 ngana ngathi 70-30 because most of the time umjida lese ngiyapop sophila sonke vele sivale mara isitoko sapop ushiya umjida waye
sonke
Sitoko sapapa shimjita.
umfana most wenza ukhuluma
Abafana
askisi mara abafana amantombazana mfethu yabo mayipopile ipopeni ku relationship intombazana mfethu yakushintsha mfethu kwenza ntswembu kwenza ube well known ufaka ama business umfana mfethu ku uyenza leyo nto
ashuthi depend ukuthi i-background yakhe uphuma kuphi I depend ngale nto yeah if I'm obvious
inkinga thina sithanda ngokufana into notice
yeah thana ngofana I feel like yonke into mfethu inokuhluka
Ungaphuma efamily manje nabazali like dala ba together like yabona kumnandi mara wena outside into zenzayo hey ngathi
nyansile njalo yabo
uphuma endleleni
ufundisa kamzali mfundisi
yeah
sisho masisho yabo so ima ke guys ne ufuna since vele singene kule way kule topic ngephe ngcono i-texting or recalling call. Ngephe ngincokola ngecall or ngincokola ngoncokola. Both. Ngephi uyazinjoya zoyi2?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
Wena sisi?
Nokufona.
Ufona ne. Ufeel ngathi into yenza sense ngabe kufona because uva nephimbo.
Texta umuntu into moyibhala inokuphuma somehow.
Mara nje voice.
Mara yeah, same thing.
Mara ke voice note for rent one akutshintshwana voice note akutshintshwana voice note yabo akutshintshwana. Kwi voice note uthetha into oyithethayo agqibe. Even though then uthetha omnye yabo. So I feel like I call
is the best.
Is the best kune voice note. Because voice note andithi manje uright mangabe ngithetha uthetha binga dialogue. Wonzothetha into endifuna uyithetha uyophendula late nawe ufuna uyithetha yabo ngifuna ukukhuza phela hayima yabo uyicall siyakhuzana check
yenziwa lonto
yabo.
Yeah.
Okay guys yayiva lo way yabo. So guys kwinto yenu ninga prefer ningajola amathwini nina nithi since nizichomi
never
faka mara abantu bayi2
never
Why?
Abeno wakhe ngibeno wami.
Yeah, mara i-twin eli1 like ama-twin umuntu one
asila ama-twin akhona because of such jewelry like twin understand twin laba basiluya khona ukuthi a pretend
Mara I think umuntu mawaphuma uzomazi uthalo
yeah zabazi yeah vela abekho abantu bafana straight kodwa bakhona nechomp but khona into ehluka ngayo
uzoloku ubheka maybe ufune iskala uzoloku umbheka la
mina sendiyasho chomi ne naxa ithetha mfethu xa ithetha i-lips zakhe
yasifunda
yabona wena yeah mara like serious
nawe mangabe bashayidi uzokuthanda
siyakhula guys
umuntu yamjwelo yakhona ukuyifake personality yamkhona wakho
into engenzeka mhlambe bo ihlambi license ne-ID mhlambe ku highway amiswa ama traffic cop angayikhuphi yethwini lakhe abayaza lo and bayafana straight angayikhupha athi hayi and
bakuthi wena u relationship naye if you are now if ignorant probably happen
yeah if vele unani nonchalant
mali khona into nonchalant
into ke
think lento I don't think come to nonchalant
hayi bayakhetha ukuthi baba nonchalant
kubani
nami ngiyabazi baba nonchalant
khuluma ifana nokuhle ne somehow izula ngisizwa ne lento yokuthi nonchalant ngihlezi ngibona ne I understand yini nonchalant
it's sort of like calm and careless ne like awunaki izinto mina ngisho kanjalo xa ngabe you don't care like mangabe ulwa nami nemfethu like let's say we relationship no Cherry uCherry my text ethi ufuna izinto ezisona mhlambi mina this always away Joe like in the ifana ignore but ngayibeka kanjalo ne and yabo ndikhathaleli mfethu anandaba okay ngithini uthola umunye umuntu hamba yabo nonchalant
decision
yenza
sometimes they don't even say thola umunye umuntu
yeah vele asibona la ukuthi vele betholakele thola umunye umuntu
oh yeah you learn every day bengayazi by the way
okay oh yeah but yeah vele ke umuntu wazi yonke because uzongibuza ukuthi imele technology and mina ngiyazi uyayazi yabo asifani so guys ne since vele
vumisa
nanjani namaqhinga mina guys ngaki yabo ndafuna usithethelele and ngifuna yenza yonke into ibe sense yabo yeah and if ukho abantu abafana nawe bazondibhaka yabo understand this yabo
mina yonke into ngayiquestion
guys bekunalento lena bekuthiwa ikasi i-location bioscope ngephi lokho bioscope ubuyithanda nanoma ngayiphinda phinda asazazi ungasazibukeli bese sikudini yabo ngisho ngathi Netflix ngisho ngathi usizwe Netflix lo mina bengithanda uzolile guys noluthando
nami
luthando ne
yazi ulibele
sibazela ngiyayithanda lokho bioscope
mina ngazi next ngithi angibheki
ungayibheki kwakudala yaphathenzeka la nto vele uthi ungayibheki
ngibe nesikhathi ukuthi ngingasabheki TV yabo yeah manje uthi ngibuyele ngibheke ngathi
ami bengithanda uthando
let sure ukuthi irritate
yeah
TV
first time music pet
no uthi like mangibheka ifone so ngizongathi iyarasa ngicini irritate
okay guys since vele likhulume ngabafana ukuthi abafana abalunganga yabo so ngifuna yazi ukuthi manganikwa i 24 hours ukuthi ube umfana yini ongayenza
Into ngayenza.
Into ngayenza 24 hours.
Uzini. Yabo?
Naye ngasho.
Narope uyazi phela ukuthi mina ngakhuluma nabafana ukuthi mabayeke lento bayenzayo abanye abafana bafithe kanti benzayo
Ngathola abafana.
ungathini wena nje
Bring a change on.
no
Ngafuna testa amantombazane ukuthi kanjani.
and futhi ungathola amantombazana amaningi or ungathola intombazana eyi-1
Yo hayi ngithola opportunity 24 hours. Hayi imani.
amaningi Tommy
Ngikwazi.
Yeah, very much.
Qeda abantwana.
so thina sirongo njani ke sirongo ngasiphiwe
Cabangani.
ngamantombazana
Yeah.
back dance ngamantombazana
It-taste 24
How?
hours.
Why
Mina
fun?
wena umfana permanent wena.
How? Usile.
uthini manje okay
Now uzoba fascinated, uzofuna ukwenza makeup, uya understand.
nyani apha ningasibuza nathi singathetha ungandibuza ukuthi 24 hours ngenzani intombazana
Ngenzani vele?
24 hours ngamekha sho ukuthi ngithola ibless yabo 24 hours ngithola ibless ngidla imali strong ngidla imali kuthumela ngidla imali
Yeah.
ngihamba ngiyakutshela ngithi ngidla umswengu
Umuntu azogula.
Mina ngicela ukuba honest
Yeah,
laba
yeah,
njengoba bajaji ukuthi amantombazana na bless bayifuna le life labo.
but thina sifuna ubheshe bengengifuna ubheshe ngintombazana mina yeah
I never.
so nami ngicela intombazana engafuni ubheshe
Asincenge.
asincenge
Throwish bras.
asincenge
Eish.
okay ungabuza bhuti baba mungu
Ngiyajolo.
abazenzi abayi bazenzi yo shema shema bazenzi bancane kafuna umbuze later on ngambuze makholweni
Yabo.
Should tell people what to be in ngiyajolo.
Siyabaphika.
Yeah.
Kanjani?
It's like I'm Joel mara why list to Joel. It's like manje lo muntu yamvalela so.
Okay
Private,
mara sayiva private okay guys mamelane sesoyivala le show ngoku ne mina no Butkucho sivele ninzi and siyabonga guys ukuthi nisixelele izinto eziningi so indlela soyivala ngayo nebhuti sivala ngeslogan ne
Yeah.
ukuthi from the street so guys sifuna sisho sonke ne na
Sifuna part 2.
yeah
Ne
ne part 2 ne
Yeah.
so ngifuna part 2 yeah
Okay.
Then
ima
part 2 yithi sibuzayo nathi.
akwangqaki guys mamelani guys enye into singathanda ube ngama host
I mean, I do have
Ngama
questions.
Yes.
no sinawo ama questions
Me, I do.
Yeah,
But
nah.
it's fine if you.
okay no hayi ke
Nah.
hayi sibuzani mzalo amount singabuza and futhi guys enye into singenza ukuthi mhlambi singafumana nina as ama host wethu yabo wamantombazana because i-host eninzi zathanda namantombazana and isibantswempu
Yeah.
bakhona i-presenter or i-host co-host intombazana feel ngathi bantswempu kakhulu than amajita because amantombazana amaninzi ayiba ukuthi hayi mina ngikwazi ukuya lapha buhle ngabafana nodwa yabo
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Since
my
it was
question
yeah.
is, does like Abafana have a problem when it comes to ilast ukhalela?
Khalela yini?
Like ilast, nje like ukhalela intombazana wena relationship. Like nina inkinga la, like nina problem.
ukhalela.
Okay, let's say ukhethile ne and
ndakuva kodwa
yeah, like
Like,
uyayithanda
uyamvuthela
intombazana
futhi.
mampela but uyakhalela.
ungakhalela ukuthi ube nenye
Ubona umuntu
icaleni
amba lapha
mara
uyakhalela.
lona awufuni umyeka uyamthanda
Yeah,
and
like,
if yena naye
nina
angakhalela
problem la.
ngahlukana
Isegazini.
singahlukana namakhalela mara mina kwamele ngibe nayo right okhalela yadlala ngaphendula futhi
Hayi.
okay ngicela ube ngiqanda iphendule ke futhi ne
Asoze siphenduke.
mina ne
Uphendule.
okay ngicela iphendule
Hayi,
ngicela
maybe ngizo itapen mara
yeah
question
okay,
ngathi
uzoyizwa kodwa
Yeah.
Explain it.
Yeah.
okay guys ne masiku relationships ngabafana ne yazi ne asikhaleli mangabe si happy kuleyo relationship mind you into engizama ukuyisho ne I once dated intombazana ebingidelela mina ngikhuluma nanoma kanjani nami yabo and nayazi phela ukuthi mina nginokuhlezi ngicloud ngihlekisa ngenza ngathi ngiko right but ngiyasithola isikhathi ukuthi ngisithole nami ukuthi ngubani and ngibe serious yabo especially when it comes to relationship ngiyalasta and ngiyakwazi ba serious ne but intombazana bingidelela and bekuthi ngiyamthanda yabo akuthi manje ngoba emakhamereni vela ama glass kusho lento ke ngisayithanda la ilutho yabo so into benza awubonakala okay so manje
Emotional. Buyele emva.
ngicela umbhambathi
Okay. Solunga ne.
Okay, bengisasho ne. So into enzekayo intombazana bengidele so bekenza ukuthi lanto lena ukuze move on. Kuthi jolo nomuntu samthanda yabo. So into enzekile ngitheni ndazama ukuthi ndifumane umuntu bengathandjuli. So bendibawela because le ntombazane indlela enipha yona imperial flags okoko and yadelela and nangideleli guys yabo. And ngikhuliswe friend umuntu kwamela umhloniphi ungathethi naye ngathi umenzele favor mawujula naye yabo. So into ebezenza so yizo ngenza ukuthi mina mangihalele next door so that mangitholile ngizokwazi and intombazana ayilahla. Mara yabona indlela ukuthi nihlukana kanjani. Yabo kunawo kasakunaki headline text ya.
Then
there's the question angizwa.
okay, you're in a relationship, right? You have a girlfriend and you're loyal. Thing is, but usasenayo last, you still crave someone else.
Mara uyajola uku relationship yethu yimpendi
Uyamthanda umuntu wakho.
yini yenza ukuthi abafana bahalele side.
Like
Uyayizwa futhi. Awukayizwa. Kutsho
Okay,
yajola
slow,
necherry yakho.
slow.
Okay nayi mamela. Yajola manje necherry yakho ne.
Yeah.
Uhalele intombazana nini konza ukuthi uhalele intombazana mara uyajola. Awuhaleli uyastika
Yeah, mina zama.
that's why I understand okay. Yeah vele umuntu manje understand into.
Serious.
So hashe mu right lo futhi.
I really thought isikolo sabafana.
No.
Isikolo.
No.
Njengoba bebechile bathi Faith Nketsi in into mayizenzile magraso eclassini kwathi na rasa ayinonke na rasa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mina license ibeka kanjani nabantu. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Khona bahalela.
Khona any question?
Another question is, what make you all feel less of a man?
Mangabe intombazana mina mfethu mangabe intombazana engenza ukuthi ngifile kanjalo ne isuke la ngathi mani
Yeah.
yabo so ngifile ngathi mina angenzi kakhulu njengabanye yabo
Yeah.
and ayina next phela ekhaya intombazana ifuna imali and uyayibona intombazana ifuna imali yabo ushilo no uncle athi sonke sifuna imali ungenzani ungezi neplan yabo yonke lento tshela ngamazep so obvious ngifile izep angani uma inzep guys nine question inzep
Nanyathe.
I think it's ukubulisa. I think because angazepini.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, sayivala ke manje guys. So in that time ne so thina from the streets bona bathi for the streets qha ngoba sivala sithwe for the streets after thina ne. Okay guys, before sizoyivala ne ngicela ni comment, like, subscribe bafethu sanicela because yo sizoba right Joe singabe sesivala ke sisha shut down from the streets
for the streets.
twa danko.